Hey, TechWares fam, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today is November 19th, 2024. We're diving into some groundbreaking news from Nvidia. They've just launched a new AI PC media channel on X, aka Twitter. It is setting the stage for something big. Let's get into it. So, Nvidia just unveiled their new social media channel called Nvidia AI PC. This channel is dedicated to showcasing AI applications for RTX PCs and it's got everyone buzzing. But what? Why is this such a big deal? All right, so the channel, which you can find on X under the handle Nvidia underscore AI underscore PC, is all about exploring the power of AI on your local PC. Whether you're deep into AI or just a little curious, the channel promises to deliver latest news, tech, and AI inspiration. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Nvidia's move to create this channel comes at a time when they don't have yet a full PC platform dedicated to accelerating AI. Currently, their offerings focus on discrete GPUs, but rumors are swirling that Nvidia might be gearing up to launch their first in-house CPU, possibly an ARM-based processor in 2025 next year. This new channel is a strategic move to build excitement and awareness around AI PCs, setting the groundwork for their potential CPU launch. Nvidia has been a leader in AI accelerator hardware, and this initiative could help them expand their reach into the consumer market. So, what does this mean for us? Well, if Nvidia does launch their own CPU, it could shake up the market and provide more options for AI enthusiasts and professionals alike. Plus, it's always exciting to see new innovations from a company like Nvidia. So in the meantime, make sure to follow Nvidia underscore AI underscore PC on X for all the latest updates and AI inspiration. Like I said earlier, and of course, stay tuned to TechWares for more in-depth analysis and news on this developing story. So that's all for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. In my opinion, I think Nvidia is gonna team up with MediaTek to release a CPU. I think it's gonna run on Windows on ARM. It is going to challenge, the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite, X Plus CPUs, and it's gonna challenge them in that market. So I honestly can't wait for 2025 to see all the tech from Nvidia, Intel, AMD. Honestly, every other hardware PC tech company out there. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Peace.